31st December 2016.
From?
31st December 2016.
To when?
To... It's all 31st December 2016.
31st December 2016 to 31st December 2016.
31st December 2015. This one is 2015 and the other one is 2016.
Okay.
2015 and 2016.
All right. Okay. When was that company incorporated? Do you have the incorporation documents? The documents registering the company?
It was incorporated in 2015.
All right. Let's have the documents. Give it to him. Give it to him. What do you have next?
Okay, this one is with regards to Royal Africa. Royal Africa.
Royal Africa Capital Holding?
Yes, Royal Africa Capital Holdings.
Royal Africa Capital Holding Limited.
Yes.
What do you have? What is that?
But this is not a bank statement because they refuse to give me their statements of account because I'm a minority shareholder. I'm a minority shareholder in the company.
So what are you holding? What document do you have in your hand?
Well, it's a letter from them to say that that they cannot issue me with the statement unless and until if the commission should call them for them to come.
Okay, let us see the letter.
This is the letter.
But where?
And also I have.
Wait. Can you hold on? That document. Where is the memorandum and articles of the company?
Memorandum and
articles.
It's with them.
It's with them. You don't have a copy?
No, I don't have.
When was the company incorporated?
I don't have a copy because I'm a minority shareholder in the company. So I don't have.
That's the reason you don't have a copy. Do you know what the company is supposed to do?
Do I know?
Do you know what the company does? What was it incorporated to do?
What the company does?
Yes. You've never seen the memorandum and articles?
I did. I saw the memorandum of understanding. Yes, I did. I saw it, but they were like, they cannot give it to me unless and until if the commission should get back to them.
Unless and until?
The commission gets back to them.
Sorry, I didn't get what you last said.
The commission gets back to them.
I see. Until the capital heads back to them.
No. This commission of inquiries, until they write to them.
I see. Where are they? This Royal Africa Capital Holding?
In Olyundu.
They're in Olyundu?
Yes.
Who is the director there?
Ibrahim Sanya.
Ibrahim Sanya.
Yes.
Okay. Did you sign the memorandum and articles?
Did
as
I sign
1%?
Yes, I did. I did, but then I resigned from the company in 2016.
I see.
Yes.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Well, because there was no, the way the company was going, I was not happy with it. So I decided to resign.
What were you not happy about?
What were?
What were you not happy about?
The general of the company, the way it was going, I was really not happy.
Yes,
I was not happy about how they were doing business.
I see.
Yes.
Now, before I take those documents, I'll take you back to Patriot Insurance Brokers.
Yes.
What you have given me are annual report and financial statements for the year 31st December 2015, year ending 31st December 2015, and the year ended 31st December 2016.
Yes.
That is what you have given me.
Yes. That was all.
Where are your bank account statements?
The bank account statement.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not.
You don't have them?
No, I don't have them.
Apart from these, what do you have with regard to the company?
Apart from, no, nothing else. That's all I got.
All right, let me see this one. Royal Africa Capital Holding.
This is 17 August 2016.
So this is a letter dated 24th August 2017, right? Last week.
Yes.
Written to you by Mr. Ibrahim Sanya.
I requested for the bank statement.
Okay.
I requested for the bank statement. This was the time when they gave me this.
What
this
is
letter.
This? Give him back. Okay. So this is the letter they wrote you saying they will not give you any document with regard to Royal Africa Capital Holding Limited. So you never had any documents regarding this company? You never had in your possession any document?
No.
Mr. Chairman, may I apply that? Well, let me put them in as a bundle. I think it's quicker. What next do you have?
That's all.
What about the other companies?
That was the only companies that I was.
But Maligam, which is your company, where are its documents?
Maligam was under investigation since 2013. So I don't have any documents with regards to Maligam.
What happened to the documents?
Huh?
What happened to the documents?
What happened to the document?
Yes.
Nothing. It was under investigation and it was under the NIA and the police. So it is the NIA or the police who should write to the bank for the statement, because they were like, they cannot give me those statements because it was under the NIA.
Are you saying the NIA took your documents?
No, the statements I mean.
Yes, but it's your company. Do you have a memorandum and articles of association of the company?
Like I said, it was under investigation.
But that doesn't mean you should not have any documents. That's what the connection. I don't understand the connection. Maybe if you can explain. It was under investigation, and you don't have documents. I don't
have documents for that.
What happened to your documents? You know, when you register a company, you're given copies.
These documents, it was a long time ago, so I don't have them with me.
So you cannot produce any documents.
This was since 2018, so I don't have documents. I don't have those documents with me.
When did it stop operating?
2013-14.
2013.
13-14 years.
What are you holding in your hand?
No, these are.
Okay, it's not for us.
These are copies, no.
All right. Mr. Chairman, I'm applying that these documents are admitted from the witness, that the annual report and financial statements for the year ended 2015 and 2016, and a letter dated 24th August addressed to the witness and signed by Prince Ibrahim Sanya.
Letter dated 24th August 2017 from Prince Ibrahim Sanyang, Chairman, Royal Africa House, to His Excellency Ansumana Jammeh, admitted and marked 31A. Annual reports by AA and Co. accountants on Patriot Insurance Brokers Limited, dated respectively 31st December 2015 and 31st December 2016. Admitted marked MS31B.
Mr. Jammeh, so you are saying these are the only documents you have with regard to all the companies that I mentioned to you when you were here?
Yes.
Now, what was NIA investigating? Was it yourself or the company Maligam?
Maligam.
What were they investigating?
Well, so many things. I mean, when it comes to the financial transactions and Maligam in general.
Yes, what in Maligam? It's a company. You said you can't produce documents because it was on the NIA investigation.
Yes.
So the Commission is trying to understand the nature of those investigations. What is it that they were investigating?
The financial transactions of Maligam.
Okay. Between Maligam and who?
Between its financial transactions with regards to Maligam in general.
I see.
Yes.
Okay. So what became of the investigations?
What
became of the investigation? Did anything happen as a result of the investigation?
Yes, as a result of the investigation, we were taken to Mile 2 as a result of the investigation.
Who took you to Mile 2? The courts?
The Gambia government.
The Gambia government?
Yes.
Gambia government is a big establishment. Can you be specific? Which part of who in the Gambia government took you to Mile 2?
Well, it's the government. I would say it's the Gambia government because the people that took me to Mile 2 was the Gambia government.
Was it the Ministry of Finance?
No, it wasn't the Ministry of Finance. It was the Ministry of Justice of the Gambia government.
Do you mean you were charged?
Yes, I was charged.
And you appeared in court?
Yes.
Which court? Which court?
I appeared in court.
Which court?
Well,
Banjul Magistrates Court, High Court Banjul?
I think it was Banjul Magistrates Court.
Banjul Magistrates Court?
Yes.
The one near the police station?
Yeah.
In Habdai? That's ECOWAS Avenue?
ECOWAS Avenue, yeah.
Okay, what was the charge?
Financial misappropriation.
Okay. How much money were they accusing you of?
I'm not sure how much money it was because
okay, what happened?
What happened?
You are obviously not still in Mile 2, you are out, so I just want to know what happened.
What?
Were you prosecuted?
Yes, I was prosecuted.
Okay.
And then I was pardoned.
You were pardoned?
Yes.
By His Excellency?
Yes, by the President.
The ex-president?
Yes.
I see. Were you convicted?
Yeah, I was.
Of how much?
I'm not sure about the amount, but
you can't remember. When was this?
This was 2018. When was this? I can't remember per se, but I think
was it last year or the year before or the year before that?
Last year, I think last year.
It was last year, 2016.
2016, around 2016.
I see. All right. Mr. Jammeh, you said you were ambassador to Qatar.
Yes.
And for many years. You said from 2008
to 2014.
To 2014.
To 2014, yes.
2008 to 2014.
Yes.
That is 6 years.
Yeah, about 6 years.
About 6 years. Now we know it's a matter of record that Qatar gave grants to Gambia. Qatar gave grants to Gambia.
I don't know that.
During the period you were there, did Qatar give any grants to Gambia?
No.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Who else was in your office at the time when you were ambassador?
MS Njai and Fabakar Jani.
MS Njai.
MS Njai, yes.
What does MS Njai?
MS Njai.
As what?
Deputy Ambassador.
What was his position?
Deputy Ambassador.
Deputy Ambassador.
Yes.
And who else?
Fabakar Jani.
Fabakari?
Jani.
Jani, as what?
As the first secretary.
First secretary.
Yes.
That's all? Who else?
And other staff, other local staff.
Who was in charge of the accounts?
MS Njai.
MS Njai.
Yes.
Is he back?
Yes, he's here.
He's here.
He's in Gambia.
Okay. At least I have the records show that in 2011, $4 million grant was given to the Gambia government, which was paid into a central bank account. Do you recollect this?
Well, no.
You don't recollect this?
No, I don't.
Grants don't pass through your office as your embassy?
I mean, it's from the foreign ministry to the Gambia.
It's from the foreign ministry. Which foreign ministry?
Qatar foreign ministry.
To who?
To the Gambia government.
Which part of the Gambia government?
To the central bank, I believe.
Central bank.
Yes.
So they won't inform you that they are giving a grant to the Gambia?
Not I am aware of.
All the period you were there, no grant?
No.
Okay, what benefit did your tenure bring to the people of the Gambia for 6 years?
What?
Then, what benefit did you get from Qatar then, during these 6 years?
To the Gambia?
Yes, what benefit were you able to get for, you know you were representing us there?
Yes.
Yes, you agree?
So many.
Yes. So what is the benefit that you were able to get for us?
Well, during my time, there was an ambassador that was appointed by Qatar.
There was a?
There was an ambassador that was appointed by Qatar.
There was an ambassador?
It was during my time that ambassador was appointed to the Gambia.
Okay, there was a Qatari ambassador to Gambia.
Ambassador to the Gambia, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. I thought you were going to tell us about what benefits we received as a people.
Well, as a people, so many things I believe.
Yes, give us an example, Mr. Jammeh. I'm giving you the opportunity to tell us what you did for us.
There were so many Gambians that are presently in Qatar during my time.
Okay, what are they doing there?
They are working.
Okay, you arrange for them to go to Qatar to work.
Yes.
Now, there were quite a number of Qatari business projects that came into the country, whether they took effect or not. Were you aware of them? Business trips, yes?
Yes, businessmen, yes. Qatari businessmen, yes. I was aware.
From here?
Yes.
But you are not aware of any donation, grant from the government of Qatar to the people of the Gambia?
No, I'm not.
They did not give us anything whilst you were there?
No, I did not. No. They did not give anything.
Were you the one who first opened the embassy?
No.
Was there an ambassador before you?
Yes.
Who was the ambassador?
Kababajo, I believe. Kababajo.
Kababajo.
I believe, yes.
Okay. Can you name the projects that you think the Qatari brought to Gambia?
Projects that Qatari brought to Gambia?
Yes. You said there were businesses coming in, right? Were there any projects that they brought to Gambia?
Well, during my time, there was none. There was none. Because they were going and coming.
6 years is a long time, Mr. Jammeh.
Yes, it is a long time.
What was your annual budget?
What was why?
Annual budget.
Our annual budget.
How much money, yes. How much money did Gambia government spend on your embassy?
Well, about $2 to $3 million.
Every year? Okay. Mr. Jammeh?
Yes.
We'll have other questions for you, but today that is all from my side. The commissioners may ask you questions.
Mr. Jammeh, sorry. Patriot Insurance Brokers Limited, that's your company that you own 75%,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Very good. Your registered office was located where?
At the house.
And you were paying rent, I presume?
Not really. No.
So you were hosted at the location without any rent?
No, it was it was part of the, how do you call it, the offices in the Star Charter house that were owned I believe by that time they were owned by the president.
Can you repeat that?
I said it was part of the offices that were owned by the president at that time.
So just to get you right, you're saying that the ex-president owned part or all of Standard Chartered House?
Either he owned it or he was renting it for us.
No, you're saying two things. Mm-hmm. So you're saying either he owned it all or he rented some and your business was hosted there. Please, we just want to know.
My business was located at an office, and that was it. The rest of the building, I don't know. I don't know who owns that building.
Please, just remember you're under oath. You were asked the last time who the landlord of APAM was. You said you did not know.
Who the landlord?
Who the landlord
Yes.
of APAM?
APAM
or APAM, whichever
Yes.
was.
Yes.
You said you did not know.
I don't know.
Patriot Insurance Brokers Limited, which is your company, again, hosted at the same location.
At the same offices.
And you're giving us two different stories. Which one should we take?
No, it was Patriot was located in the same office building.
So Patriot and APAM were in the same office?
In the same office building, yes.
No, same office building or same office? Because Standard Chartered House has different offices.
Yes.
Which one? Were you operating from the same office or separate offices?
The same office.
Same office?
Same office, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Just one question, Mr. And just to be clear, you know insurance companies have to be registered. They have to have a license. Where is the license of Patriot?
Patriot is not a full insurance company. It was an insurance brokerage.
Was an insurance brokerage?
It was a brokerage, not a full insurance company.
But even insurance brokers have to have permission to be brokers.
Of course, yes.
Yes, we have the document giving Patriot permission to operate as brokers.
Yes, I think my people have that.
You think you have that?
Yes.
Okay. Can you also provide the bank account numbers of Patriot?
The bank accounts?
Yes, bank
Okay.
accounts.
Okay.
All right, thank you. We'll tell you a date when you have to come back.
Okay.
All right, thank you. I call Njogo back.
Yes. It's the Quran. You read it to me. I swear by the Almighty Allah
I swear by the Almighty Allah
that the evidence I shall give to this commission
that the evidence I shall give to this commission
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me Allah.
So help me Allah.
You can wait for instruction.
Sure.
Can you give your full names to the commission?
Jogu Elba.
What does the L stand for?
Sorry? Lamin.
Where do you live?
Where do I live?
Yes.
El Busumbala.
What work do you do?
What work do I do?
Yes.
Presently, I'm unemployed.
Would you like to sit down, Mr. Ba?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Please sit down.